get to it. Was this person looking at a used car?
He was looking at one of the GLS 450s.
So there was an E-Class in there and a GLS. This guy seems like he's all over the place.
That's why I didn't want to bore you with the backstory.
Why did we go from an E-Class to a GLS to a GLE 580?
He inquired months ago. He backed out of that because his accountant said, dude, you need to spend more money. Start spending more money to buy a car. So he's like, all right, I'll look at a car. Maybe a GLS or a GLE. He has a dog that he takes to his shops once in a while. He's like, I know that sounds crazy, but not right. Darker seats and loaded up. Because I'm going to spend money, I want something at the top of the line. So I've been sending him stuff randomly. Had him pretty much closed, took a deposit on the GLS 450 yesterday because he said, yeah, go ahead, do my deposit. But he never did the credit app. He keeps his credit locked. He has to open that up. Constantly busy. There's never like catch him at very brief moments of the day. So I said, dude, if you want something that's loaded up to the gills, top of the line, I don't think you need a 7-passenger anyway. He goes, I don't. Because I like the way GLS. It's just me and my dog in a big house. I said, GLE 580, I've got an Alpine Gray over black. I said, it's loaded up with every option in it. That's your car. Send me the numbers.
Are we looking at a finance?
Yes, 20% down.
Well, could be perfect for him. These are understated rocket ships, kind of a wolf in sheep's clothing. They don't look too over the top, but they do provide you with the twin-turbo V8 that everybody loves.
He's a car guy.
All right, so he owns a business. We know that. Trying to remember if the 580 even qualifies for business owner fleet. It might not. No, it doesn't.
No.
But that's okay. We're dealing this month, Don. We ain't collecting them. Does he have Amex, anything like that? It's just $500 if he has it.
I saw his sticker, how much? He's become a challenge to me, but I can't. I know he's a buyer.
Well, let's help him get over the edge. Have you sent him a car film of the car, anything like that, just to get him excited about it?
I did some car film, but I sent multiple pictures of the sticker inside and out.
What I like about the car film is that you have an opportunity to, you can talk in a minute and a half about what you like about that car in a way that pictures just aren't going to do it. And then especially if you've got somebody like this that is maybe non-committal, they keep on giving you a reason why they're not going to do it. But if you see them continue to watch the video over and over and over again, it makes it a lot easier to follow up with them. Exactly. Especially people like this. I would, just because the numbers aren't going to mean anything to him if he's not really excited about the car. And the GLE 580 it's such a specific model where you've got, it looks like a GLE 350, but it has a bigger engine than the AMG. You know what I mean? So it's like very unique.
Well, that's this guy's key word. He goes, I want something that really hardly anybody else has. I said, well,
very few people do. It's a super low production car. It was only supposed to be a one-year car, by the way.
Is that right?
So when the new GLE came out in 2020, anytime we get a new complete redesign of our cars, the AMGs don't follow until the next model year.
Right.
And if you remember, Mercedes did one of those ultra early model year launches where the 2020 GLE came out in March of 2019. So that model year was almost a year and a half long. So to bridge the gap from March 2019 until like of 2021 when the 53 AMGs were going to come out, they were like, you know what we're going to do? We're going to bridge the gap with this 580 model. We'll put a V8 in there. That'll kind of everybody over until we get to the AMGs. And then it got a pretty good reception. And so they just kind of get around because really all they have to do is take the GLE 350 and slap that V8 in there. Understated, which I like.
Yeah.
So anyway, all right. But yeah, definitely send him a car film because I want to, I'll be if he continues to drag his feet, how often does he watch it? And if he's not watching it, we know he probably isn't into it.
Yeah.